Well, I am really going to try really hard to just buy things that I really, really love, and I'm not buying anything else. Now, I did go to Dollar Tree. Usually, I'm lucky if I get out of there under $30 or $40. Well, today I worked really hard to just get things I really needed, or things I really liked, or things I need. So, we spent a total of $17.25 this week. I'm going to probably not go next week at all for anything. The Valentine's items are really down low the inventory. The things I were wanting, they said they're not getting anymore and I won't get it. So there's no sense in me getting upset about it. Just stay home. Because when I go, I'm going to spend money. But I did get a few really cute Valentine items. This I really liked, and I'm going to use it for uh, putting in like a flower arrangement or something for the table. I think what I'm going to do on the inside of it, I'm going to put some kind of white paper or red paper. Probably not red. Red will show up probably. I'll find some kind of color that will contrast with the hearts and everything and put a flower arrangement in it. This I happened to find because it wasn't where it was supposed to be. Someone had laid it in the wrong place, so I grabbed it. Don't know if my daughter's already got it or not, but I like it so well. I'll use it even if she's got one already. I need some clear containers for storage, so I bought two of these. I think these are for food, but I wasn't going to buy them for food. They're for, I have so many small things I need to store. So I'm going to use them for storage. I'm trying to put a little food garden in. These were 4 packs of carrot seeds. I don't know if they're different or not. The pictures on them are a little different, so I hope they're little different carrots. These carrots look a little bit on the small side, and that's fine with me. This one looks like really big ones, and this is like a medium one. And as you notice, all of the seeds are labeled at 100% non-GMOs. I'm also looking for that. So you don't have to go and just go and spend a lot of money. If you're like me, I have a small little garden. I don't need a giant package of seeds. These 4 packages will probably be all I need. And the reason why I bought them because the great grandkids love being able to pick things from the garden. So hopefully we're going to have some carrots for them to be able to pick. We'll see what we can do out there in the garden. Okay, and then I saw these stickers. I probably will see if my daughter wants them. I don't know if I'll use them or not, but I thought they were cute, and she loves to do DIY projects. And if not, doesn't want to use them, then I'll use them for something probably next year. I don't think I'm going to do much this year. I am going to do a nice flower arrangement. I'm definitely going to use that sign that says love for sure. My daughter bought something similar to this, and so I thought, well, let me buy this one. It's a different color. And if she wants to use it, fine. If she doesn't, fine. I'll use it in the cozy corner for me. I really love this, and I don't know if I'm going to use it this year for what I bought it for, but it really doesn't matter. I don't know if I'm going to run out of time or not. May or may not use it this year, but it was eight of these beautiful wooden hearts for $1.25. That's a really good buy. I know I've heard a lot of people complaining about it going up a quarter. Out here in Southern California, the minimum wage is $15 an hour. They have to pay that to their workers. Gas has went up about $2 a gallon. I don't think paying an extra quarter is that bad for what is going on out here. Okay, now I had seen somebody having these on a post, and I loved them, and when I happened to see that they had some, I bought one of each color that I could find. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them, but I love the look of them. And they're real glass, they're not plastic, and the stoppers are glass too, and they're just beautifully cut and designed for $1.25 a piece. That's like $3.75 for 3 of them. In a regular store, I'd probably pay $6 or $7 for one. So I thought it was a great buy, a good variety of colors. I can use them with a lot of different things. Just look at my tiered tray. Don't those glass containers look pretty next to it? And I could probably use all the different 3 of them with that. They go perfect with it color wise. And I got these for two reasons. I'm going to use them in a display, but I also wanted to buy them because I want something for storage, where I can put stuff in a way that I have small. I have a lot of small items, and I'm constantly misplacing them and losing them. So I can put all my little small items in these 3 boxes and label what I'm going to put in it, maybe with a sticky or something. I don't know. Easy enough to open if you have to. They're small enough that I won't have a ton of stuff to dig through, but they're big enough that I can get quite a few small things in there. They also have a little bit of Velcro here to have them closed down securely. And they're finished off inside pretty nice too. And you could get quite a few things in here. Like this, where I have all these hearts. Now, I could still put a ton of more things in here, because this, I haven't even hardly done anything. Look at how much room still left in that box. And that's what I got it for. For I could use it for more than one thing. I can use it for my display purposes, and I'm going to use it for storage. So it's not going to be just something taking up space. It's going to be used for a lot of storages. And I bought 3 of them. And I like all 3, and I'll be able to use them for quite a few years. So, what do you think about what I bought? Like I said, I'm getting to think when I buy stuff from now on, if I can't use it more than 1 or 2 different ways, probably don't want to buy it. Because I think all the Valentine things that I bought today, except maybe, I don't know about the stickers, but this is a beautiful container to put a flower arrangement for a table for Valentine's. I really liked it, the tree, the heart. This, I already have pieces to go with this. So this is for $1.25. I am now going to be able to reuse a lot of the stuff I already own and have, and it will look really pretty. And I'm very, very happy with it. These glass containers are not for Valentine's. They're going to be for something year-round. So I'll be able to use them in lots of different displays, maybe even in the bathroom, and the cozy corner. So as you can see, they'll go great with my tiered tray here too. So I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. The hearts I do love, and I just know there's going to be more than one way I can use those. So I was happy. If I could have found another package, I would have bought it. That was the only package they had there. And this I really like because my daughter bought one like it but different. So I liked hers. I said, when I saw that one, I'm going to buy it too. So I think everything I bought, I'm really happy with. The only thing I don't know if I'm really going to use that much is these stickers. I bought them because they were so cute. So that's why I said you don't know. If I don't use them this year, I'll put them away and store them and use them for a DIY for next year. I'm sort of getting tired, so I think I'm ready for a rest. But I think we got quite a few posts here. I have a garden post here, so that's one. I can make a centerpiece post there. And I already have red and white flowers, so it's not like I even have to buy flowers. I have a beautiful bunch of stuff to go with this sign right here, so I don't have to buy anything else because I already have a lot of stuff. This I bought for future projects because I love them since I've seen them. This I like, probably will only use it once or twice for this Valentine's season, but they'll be used a lot next year. These boxes I bought to use for a Valentine's display, and I also bought it for storage. So I think these wooden hearts are probably one of my favorites, and this sign is one of my favorites, and I really like this container. So I think these 3 items here I'll be using year after year because I do love all 3 of these items for Valentine's, and I will take very good care of them, for I will have them for years to come, and they will hold up. Now this here may or may not hold up, but I think it'll be fine for at least a couple of seasons. And the beautiful Valentine boxes, I think they should last at least 2 to 5 years also. But I bought them basically for storage, and they're the perfect size. They're not too big. I can store quite a few in a bigger box and store all my little things where they're not running amok and I don't have to worry about them. So hope you enjoyed what I picked up for this week, and you're going to see a lot less stuff being bought, and I'm going to be being more careful what I spend my money on. We have a storage problem, number one. Number two, the economy is heating up. Everything is going to be a runaway inflation probably for the next 2 or 3 years. And all of these items, except for the carrots, will be something I can have to use for the next 2 or 3 years. I will just probably buy 2 or 3 new things each year for Valentine's because I have quite a few things, and then with what I bought. So let me know what you thought. Like I said, you saw what these are the 3 things that are my most favorites. Hopefully they're going to last a long time. And I'm going to be careful how I use these for I don't mess them up, for I can have them years to come. Now, if I can find some more next year, I probably will buy another package of them because I really, really love them. So those are really something I love. So this is the only thing I probably am going to rebuy next year is that. Well, of course, maybe some more carrots too. All right. Well, see you later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Grandma's shopping haul at Dollar Tree for Valentine's. This is probably it for Valentine's this season, since everything is getting picked over and they're not going to get any more stuff in. So I'm happy to say I got everything that I really wanted and loved.